Hey there, welcome back to Ross IELTS Academy. This is Mernush and I'm happy to have you join me today as we dive in a critical strategy that can easily mark you up in IELTS reading. I'm talking about the art of identifying keywords. Trust me, mastering this skill can truly be a game changer for your exam success. So, get ready to unlock the secrets to a high IELTS reading score. Don't forget to grab a notebook and a pen because you'll want to take notes on this one. Let's talk about why the IELTS reading section is so important. This part of the test evaluates your reading skills, just like the texts you will see in school or at work. This is all about understanding the main ideas and finding supporting details. Doing well in this section is key to achieving a good overall IELTS band score. But here's the tricky part. The IELTS reading test can be tough, especially with the limited time you have. You will face 3 passages, each followed by a set of questions. That's where keywords come in. By identifying and using keywords effectively, you can navigate the passages more easily, find answers faster, and increase your chances of getting a higher score. Imagine driving through an unfamiliar city without a GPS. You'd probably get lost and waste precious time trying to find your destination, right? Well, without keywords, it's a bit like that in the reading passage. Think of keywords as your personal GPS while reading. They are like signs that point you directly to the information you need. By getting better at finding these important words, you will save time during the test and understand the text on a deeper level. It's a win-win situation. Recognizing keywords also help you connect the questions to the passage. They act as bridges, linking what you're asked to the relevant parts of the text. This not only improves your understanding, but also allows you to draw logical conclusions. So, whether you're aiming for a high overall score or just want to do well in the IELTS reading section, mastering the skill of identifying keywords is essential. So, once you see an IELTS reading passage, the first step would be to identify the keywords. To make the most of keywords, it's crucial to develop the skill of identifying them. Here are some tips to help you identify keywords effectively. Tip number 1. Skim the passage. Before diving into the questions, take a quick skim of the passage. Look for headings, subheadings, and topic sentences to get an overview of the main ideas. Pay attention to bold words, as they often indicate important concepts. Tip number 2 is to focus on question keywords. Read the questions carefully and identify keywords or phrases. These are the words that are essential for understanding what the question is asking for. Circle or underline them to keep them in mind while reading the passage. The third tip would be to look for synonyms and paraphrases. Keywords may not always appear exactly as they do in the questions. Be on the lookout for synonyms or paraphrases that convey the same meaning. These variations often appear in the passage and can help you locate the relevant information more effectively. The next thing you should do is to pay attention to connecting words. Connecting words such as however, therefore, in contrast, or for example, can signal important information. These words often link key points and help you identify the main ideas and supporting details. You can also expand your understanding. That's the next important thing. Understanding keywords not only assists in finding specific answers, but also contributes to your overall understanding of the passage. By recognizing these significant words, you can grasp the main ideas, arguments, and supporting details more effectively. This comprehension will enable you to answer both direct and inferential questions with confidence. Additionally, keywords can help you identify the structure of the passage. Look for words like first, second, finally, or phrases like on the other hand, in conclusion. These organizational cues help you follow the flow of the ideas and comprehend the passage's structure. The next thing is to notice that practice makes perfect. To master the skill of identifying keywords, regular practice is essential. Solve a variety of IELTS reading practice tests and focus on identifying the keywords in each passage. With time, your ability to spot these crucial words will improve, leading to better results on the exam day. Remember, it's not just about finding keywords, but also understanding their significance within the context of the passage. By practicing consistently and knowing your skills, you will develop a strategic approach to IELTS reading that will significantly enhance your performance on exam day. In conclusion, recognizing the importance of keywords in the IELTS reading section can make a world of difference in your performance. Now, let's just sum up why these keywords are so vital. Number 1, time saving, just like a GPS helps you. Reach your destination faster with these keywords, as they act as your reading GPS and they guide you directly to the information you need. Number 2, enhance comprehension. Keywords serve as signposts, providing important clues and guiding you towards the answers. By understanding and connecting these words to the context of the passage, you gain a deeper understanding of the text, its main ideas, and supporting details. This comprehension boost not only helps you to locate your answers, but also allows you to grasp the overall meaning of the passage. Number 3, accuracy in answering. When you identify keywords, you establish a strong connection between the questions and the relevant sections of the passage. Number 4, confidence and success. Mastering the skill of identifying keywords empowers you to approach the IELTS reading section with confidence. You will feel more in control to tackle the passages and questions. As a result, you're more likely to achieve the desired high band score and succeed in your overall IELTS journey. See how important it is to understand and find keywords? This is a powerful strategy to succeed in the IELTS reading section. By earning this skill, you will enhance your comprehension, locate answers quickly, and ultimately achieve a higher score. If you really want to mark up in IELTS reading and just learn all the strategies, why don't you visit our website and use our reading course? That's the key. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned and see you very soon. Not having enough time to answer all the reading questions is a common problem for many of you. We teach you how to manage your time, deal with different question types, understand difficult words, and get a good score. So click the link and join us.